If you simply pull out one page from that entire 97-page ebook and you promote that particular page with one thing that they're going to be able to handle if they download that one page. People want that more than they want the 97 pages. Nobody wants to go from 97 pages of an ebook. They don't really, they don't have the time for that. But once you've researched and understand the common problems that your customers are trying to solve, you can offer them solutions. A great example of this is a free mini course in Messenger. These have become some of our most powerful lead magnets. But no matter where you are at, no matter how comfortable you feel with the camera, you can figure out how to do a mini course, even with text only and image only mini courses that guide people through a few steps to get a particular area handled. Mini courses are a great way to educate potential and current customers, as well as helping to attract and retain them. These courses can also help position you and your brand as the expert for your industry or field, and it's going to help you build a stronger brand image. That's why they are important. Now, one thing that I will tell you about these mini courses, they are a great tool for you to be able to upsell something at the end of the mini courses. If you do any of the courses that we have been doing for the last few years for Dr. Berg and other people, you will see that we always integrate upsells at the end of these mini courses, because those are great opportunities with a higher quality lead that has now gone through the training for us to offer the next level of commitment. And this could be done by anybody. So you got to think about it in a way that you know that these people are trying to handle a particular area, and you structure that. For example, right now, something that we are doing for my dad, we created, obviously my dad has the content, his YouTube channel, which is growing at a very fast pace, over 100,000 subscribers every 28 days, 14 million views on the YouTube channel itself. So we have all this free content that gets distributed throughout social media, and we keep on leveraging as much as possible that content on Facebook, on Instagram TV, on YouTube, on stories, all over the place. What we're doing with the courses is that we are actually developing specific training for a particular area that otherwise you're going to have to look all over the place and find out what are all the pieces to get that particular problem solved. A lot of the answers are already out there for free, but the reality is that on social media, it's all spread out all over the place. So what a course does, a mini course does, is that it grabs one powerful thing that somebody needs to handle, not 28 things. It's not like how to build your business to $1 billion. It's like how to generate leads using Facebook right now, how to use messenger marketing to get appointments. If you're in the beauty industry, a 5-step formula to achieve natural beauty without having to wear too many chemicals. You have to figure out something that gets people from A to B without having to jump to too many different areas and create like a confusion. So one thing that I got from a seminar one time a few years ago, you know, like if you have an ebook, sometimes it's going to be a lot more cost effective to get downloads of that ebook. If you simply pull out one page from that entire 97-page ebook and you promote that particular page with one thing that they're going to be able to handle if they download that one page. People want that more than they want the 97 pages. Nobody wants to go from 97 pages of an ebook. They don't have the time for that. So you got to think about that. Don't have a romantic viewpoint about the value of your content. It's so valuable. People are so lucky to find my information. On the contrary, you got to think about they are giving you their time. So you better not waste that time. And you got to give them exactly what they want. And you got to be fast, and you cannot beat around the bushes, and you got to just give it to them so they can go implement it, get some results in their life in whatever that area is. They come back to you and they say, wow, that actually really worked. What else do you have for me? And that's what you do with this whole providing value strategy.